guys, I'm Meg. I was the water ski counsellor last summer. A few of you saw me on the morning talk the other week, but today I'm going to be doing a bit more fun. I'm going to run counsellor activity. So today we're going to do scrapbooking. So whilst I was at camp last year, I collected loads of stuff that I could bring home to do this. So I've got name tags from awards night and banquet, I've got wishing night, wish upon a star, I've also got stuff like cabin songs, counsellor songs, counsellor to camper songs from banquet, everything written in this book. I love it. I've got names written in it of people that I spent time with, such as the counsellors or my cabin. I've got absolutely everything in it. But I've got one page I want to do today, which I'm going to show you how to do, make it quick, make it easy, something just fun for you guys to do whilst you're at home. So this is my book so far. So, it's hard to show on my laptop. So I've just got everything like this, counsellor appreciation, eagle cabin. I've got all my birthday cards because I had my birthday at camp, which was so fun. Name tags, just everything. I went with Amy and I went to New York after camp, lace stuff, absolutely everything. I've got my feather in here, so important. So today I'm going to talk through one thing that I haven't done in it yet, which is my memories. So a few months back now actually, I put on my Instagram, one of the question things, and I asked people to comment their favourite memories with me of camp. For me, I got to look back on them, it was amazing, I loved it. It was just small memories that you don't really think of in a way. Like I had some campers tell me things that from first half that I remembered doing after they told me, but at the time it wasn't that significant, but to them or to me it meant so much at the moment. Now I've got these still on my phone, so I'm going to get them up and then I'm going to make a really cute page for it. I'm going to add comments on that you guys sent me. I've got some from campers, counsellors, CITs I think. Yeah, I think I've got everyone on there. And if you want to send me more, I can add them in. But I think this is just a really good thing for you guys to do. Ask on your Instagram. I chose this font, I don't know if you can see that, this font for my memories page. So that's the title. So I just use Sharpie, pencil, pens. I've got loads of different colours here, different pens that I'm just going to make it look really cute and lots of different things. So I got up my list of people and different things here. So they're all on there. Different comments, different people. I'm going to add them to my book and then I'll show you once I've got half of them done and show you what else you can do to make it look really good. I started and I think it looks okay so far. Obviously it's not done and it needs a bit more work. But this is so far. So I've got no title, I've got a few of my memories down, I've still got more to do. So I'm going to finish this off and once I'm done I'm going to add a few pictures, I'll show you what I'm doing. I finally finished the page and I added a few little drawings onto it, they're more like sketches. So I've got loads of different things, I've got that in middle and then I've just got everything really. The pictures correlate with what's written. It's just a nice way to look back and remember more than anything else. I don't know if you can see it without trying to let everyone know what my memories with special people were. So I want to keep adding to this, so if you want to send me your memories with me, that's great, or just do it with each other. It's great fun. It doesn't have to be camp related, it can be with your school, it can be, say you've just graduated high school, you've graduated middle school, you've got a year left in college, you've got, I don't know, your field hockey team won the league. I don't know what it is, but anything, it's great fun. Okay guys, hope you all enjoyed. I'll speak to everyone soon. Bye guys.